Vegan Summerfest is a professional conference. It's a retreat. It feels like a family reunion. It's a place where people come to learn from doctors and nutritionists and dietitians about the health benefits of a plant-based diet, but also to learn from environmentalists, from people who run farm animal sanctuaries and people who do animal rescues and people who are really hands-on with the animals. People come into veganism from so many different avenues, and we have all of those covered here at the Vegan Summerfest.
The speakers that they have are absolutely the best. They're extremely knowledgeable.
People who own sanctuaries, people who own restaurants, people who are chefs. It's just a marvelous way to meet everybody in the vegan world.
I have had an amazing time, certainly life-changing.
This is just the most exciting vegan event of the year, or as it's otherwise known, Vegan Summer Camp.
Parents who are worried about bringing kids, it's great. There's a children's center, kids get to hang out with other vegans.
You have to come even if you just come for the weekend.
This is such a great place to come learn more about plant-based nutrition, the science behind why it matters for your life, and how to apply it into the daily grind. So come bring your friends, bring your family members, come learn more about why what you do matters.